Today on Motor Vista, we have a truly special comparison, the legendary McLaren P1 against the stunning Ferrari 296 GTB, two masterpieces of performance engineering, representing different eras of supercar innovation. Let's see how they compare in acceleration, handling, and driving character. The McLaren P1, launched in 2013 as part of the exclusive hypercar Holy Trinity, features a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with an electric motor. Together, they deliver a combined 903 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. Power goes to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. The P1 weighs around 1,490 kilograms, with a top speed of 217 miles per hour, 350 kilometers per hour, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.8 seconds. The Ferrari 296 GTB represents Ferrari's modern plug-in hybrid era. It's powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6, combined with an electric motor, producing a total of 819 horsepower and 740 newton-meters of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Weighing about 1,470 kilograms, the 296 GTB reaches 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour, and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour into 0.9 seconds. The McLaren P1 is all about track-focused performance with an aggressive aerodynamic profile, large active rear wing, and extensive carbon fiber construction. The Ferrari 296 GTB blends modern elegance with aerodynamic efficiency, featuring smooth sculpted lines, compact proportions, and active aero elements for stability at high speeds. In a straight-line test, the McLaren P1's immense power output and hybrid boost launch it strongly off the line, covering the quarter mile in around 9.8 seconds in optimal conditions. The Ferrari 296 GTB, with its cutting-edge power delivery and rapid shifts, completes the quarter mile in approximately 10.1 seconds, showing just how close these two are despite a decade of technological evolution between them. From 50 miles per hour, both cars deliver instant acceleration thanks to their electric torque assist. The P1 surges ahead with its raw power, while the 296 GTB keeps pace with lightning-fast gear changes and efficient hybrid boost. From 100 miles per hour, the P1's high end pull gives it an advantage, but the Ferrari maintains remarkable composure and speed, staying close until very high speeds. On the track, the McLaren P1 offers razor-sharp steering response, a firm connection to the tarmac, and incredible grip from its aerodynamics, making it feel like a road-legal race car. The Ferrari 296 GTB counters with cutting-edge chassis electronics, adaptive suspension, and precise cornering balance, making it effortless to carry speed through tight bends. Both deliver confidence-inspiring feedback, allowing the driver to push to the limit. From 100 miles per hour to a standstill, both hyper-hybrids perform outstandingly. The McLaren P1's carbon ceramic brakes and lightweight body stop it in extremely short distances, while the Ferrari 296 GTB's advanced brake-by-wire system delivers equal precision and stopping power. The McLaren P1 is a historic landmark in hybrid hypercar performance, raw, track-focused, and limited to just 375 units worldwide. The Ferrari 296 GTB showcases Ferrari's modern hybrid philosophy, blending speed, efficiency, and everyday usability in a stunning package. Two icons, two philosophies, one goal: delivering unforgettable driving experiences. Which one would you take? Let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching Motor Vista.